Alright folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2009 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 144,000 miles and only 766 idle hours. Original silver from factory. The paint looks super sharp, very shiny. Very minimal amount of little tiny surface scratches. And vehicle does have two door dings. That's about it. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape to go anywhere across the states to her new home. This was an LA County vehicle, unmarked vehicle. Once again, folks, she is in immaculate running condition and shape. The whole car has been fully serviced. So yes, I went through everything, folks, and once again, I'm setting you up for success on another great looking Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Vehicle does have a window tint, rear only. That appears to be a medium shade on the rear only, no tint on the front. No tint on the front. This is going to be an E85 FLEXFUEL vehicle. Vehicle does have one antenna on the roof. That is going to be an actual antenna that I put in there in place. So if you need to drive the car to an express car wash, rest assured that that antenna is going to stay put and she's not going to go anywhere. Let me stop right here, folks, before I forget. I do got to tell you that on the rear bumper, I do have a nice little scuff mark right there. You guys can see that. Okay. Vehicle does have a brand new Police Interceptor badge that I put in there myself. There you go. Sorry. Once again, this is going to be an E85 vehicle, folks. FLEXFUEL okay on this one, so yes, you're going to save money at the pump. Vehicle does have a brand new set of brand new set of takeoffs on the vehicle. Once again, brand new set of takeoffs on the vehicle. Those are going to be the Goodyear Eagles RSA 235 55 17s. The tires that came with the vehicle, they were not acceptable. I got lucky enough to find a nice set out there with my supplier, and I paid the price. Yes, I did pay the price, and I got them. So they have been installed. Folks, I did mention that the vehicle does have two door dings. One door ding right here on the rear right quarter panel. Let me come down here, folks. All four steel wheels have been reconditioned, so they look nice and glossy all over again, versus how they came when I first got the vehicle. Very sharp vehicle, folks. Very sharp vehicle. Let me show you the antenna. The actual antenna, she's not going anywhere, folks. You might see the vehicle a little bit wet. That's because we had a nice cloud come over us, and it rained on us pretty good for like 20 minutes. Secondary door ding is going to be on the front quarter panel. It's right here, right above the side marker. However, it kind of hides into the vehicle, but it's there. I caught it when I was taking the pictures, actually. So there you have it, folks. The vehicle does have a nice new set of OEM headlamps and side markers by Motorcraft. Ford OEM headlamps and side markers, along with new light bulbs. And on the headlights itself, I went ahead and I went with the Sylvania Silver Star light bulbs, which are a little bit brighter at night, and you have better lighting and better projection going down the street, especially down dark roads. I do apologize if I'm getting stuck. Please remember, this is live. I'm not reading a script. Whatever I'm telling you is what I'm based out of my my little microwave memory here in my head. I apologize, folks. The light, you can't really appreciate the vehicle on the camera, but she looks really good. Whoever was assigned to this vehicle, they did an amazing job taking care of it, and she wasn't beat, but she did need some attention like every other car that I get. I was able to get everything done, and these are the finished results. Vehicle does have a nice matching interior, so you guys can see all seat belts and buckles are in place. Vehicle does have carpet floors with OEM floor mats. All 4 OEM floor mats are in place. All door panels are in really good shape on this vehicle, not broken, they're not drilled. Vehicle does have electric driver's side seat. This is going to be a Zebra 5 rear axle. Passenger side seat in really good condition. Correction, driver's side seat in really good condition. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there, and if they did, it wasn't all the time, every day, all day. Vehicle does have a police Troy center console. What you see is what you're gonna get. I was contemplating on removing it from the vehicle, but I got feedback from my buyers. I was like, hey Mario, leave it alone. So I'm leaving it alone. Once again, buyer takes all. If you don't like it, what you see, you can have me remove it, or I can leave it in the car for you to take care of it. Vehicle does have electric retractable pedals. Honk does work. On the carpet, driver's side, there's gonna be a little tear right there in the carpet. All right, there you have it. Vehicle only came with 1 key, no remote control, just 1 independent key on this one. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Pressure lights are up. Vehicle does have 144,000 miles. The miles might go a little bit higher because I am driving the car around just to make sure that everything is good to go. Vehicle does have 766 idle hours. Okay, you get a full tank too, but then again folks, she might not be full when you come pick her up if you do decide to buy it, because I am driving the car around. No ticket light. Dome light, courtesy light does come on, so the blackout option is enabled on this vehicle. So when you open the doors, the light will come on. When you close the door, the light will go off. Stereo does work, however, the knob on the volume does not work. Well, it works when it wants to. Right now, it's not working. I don't have any of these stereos in stock. So I do apologize folks, you have to turn it really slow, or sometimes very fast, and it does work. Okay, super cold air conditioner, heater does work as well. Am I forgetting anything? I hope not. If I do forget something folks, I'm gonna mention it on the my eBay description. She will be going hopefully live tonight, if not tomorrow morning. I don't know what this is, folks. I've never seen that device, but some type of Wi-Fi. I don't know what it is. I think it's connected to the car, but I don't see any functionality on it. Trunk. This is the trunk, floor jack in place. Vehicle does have a full spare tire. This is one of the tires that I kept when I throw the new tires on there. This is going to be a Goodyear Assurance tire. I also did install the good use steel wheel because the vehicle did not come with a spare tire, floor jack or hold down pencil. Yes, this is a good use kit that I put, and I'm giving you a tire cover that I had in my storage. Okay, so that's going to be the trunk for you guys. Let's go under the hood. Oh my goodness, 9 minutes already. Folks, the paint on this vehicle looks very good. Before I forget folks, I got to tell you that I did have the front bumper cover repainted due to scuff marks right here where the paint was peeling. I didn't like that, so I had my team reshoot the front bumper. So the headlights, nice and bright. Let's get under the hood folks. No funny noises, no funny clicks, no funny ticks, no funny nothing. Starting right to left, vehicle does have a new air filter. Throttle body was service clean out. Vehicle does have full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter. Transmission was serviced with Motorcraft Mercon LV. Vehicle does have brand new dry belt gates, dry belt tensioner and pulley. Let's see, I can clean this up here for you guys. Nope, not there. Alright folks, I can't clean this up, but vehicle does have Gates, new Gates drive belt pulley and tensioner. Sorry, I gotta clean this up here. I don't like the way it looks. Vehicle does have a brand new battery. I purchased this on Costco, so you take the receipt and the warranty. All fluids were topped off. All brakes all around on this vehicle were about 70% all around. Once again, brakes were about 70% all around, so I did not have to replace them. Suspension is nice and tight. She still drives good. There is no luggage. There's nothing of this going on when you're driving on the highway, so she's nice and sturdy, okay? What else? Oh, the vehicle does have a new intake manifold from the department, and the spark plugs by Motorcraft are also new. I did verify everything on this vehicle, and yeah, new intake manifold, new spark plugs, folks. All right, here she is. Oh, my last 30 seconds, 40 seconds here, folks. All right, if you are interested in this vehicle, you'd like to buy it, please do not hesitate to give me a call, text me. Let's talk about this, and let's see if we can come to an agreement, folks. What you see is what you're gonna get. No surprises, no headaches, folks. I've already went through the whole car, so we don't have to do anything else to it. You are good to go, and I gotta move for my neighbor. All right, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a great weekend out there, and if I can help you, please call me. All right, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers, I gotta go.